Hi guys, this is a short video on what comes in a Campark box. This is a 4K camera and you wouldn't believe it, it is super nice and there's a lot that comes with it. So I just want to make a quick video of all the various parts that comes in this little box here. Firstly, let me open this. Show you, this is the camera itself. It's really nice. It comes with one battery, but there's then another one that comes in this other little box. All of this that you see laid out here came in this little box, so I just put them all out here so it'll be easy for me to explain them, and you know, and don't waste too much time removing them from the box. So this one was like that in the box. And this is what the main battery, and then the camera itself. Yeah, so to start with, let me put this out here. Put that like that. Okay. It has its manual. And this is the waterproof casing, as you can see, easy to close. And I have already mentioned this, a spare battery, handlebar mount. It's just really nice. It looks solid. And a base mount. And actually, there was another base mount already on this waterproof casing. So it comes with two base mounts. Yep. And then we have the helmet base. It comes with two of them. Let me grab the second one. Two helmet bases. So what this is, put this on the helmet, and then your base mount goes in. Okay. And of course it comes with a USB cable, which you use to charge or maybe and also to transfer videos, depends on what you want to use it, but it has several functions. And then a fixed base. It has the fixed base. Yeah. I will probably need to do another video on that will show you how to use all these various mounts and bases. And then it has switch connectors. It comes actually with 3 switch connectors. This is one of the switch connector, and then you have this other one. So that's pretty neat. Imagine 3 switch connectors, so you can, you know, connect it to any angle, any kind of device. That's really great that it came with 3. And also the adapter. This is the adapter. So 3 switch connectors and an adapter. And then of course this little ribbon. The ribbons that you use to properly secure. It comes with three of them, I don't know, or 4 rather, 4 of them. And also this metal one. So the compact 4K action cameras, they've really done it right. Some of the other ones like GoPro don't want extra cash for this stuff, but you know, it's loaded in here. And then we got the bandage. Let me see how many of them we have here. 1, 2, that's 3, 4 different bandages. So all kinds of way to secure your compact action camera 4K to whatever you want to secure it to. And then we also have clips. This is actually neat. When I saw this one for the first time, I'm like, yeah, this is neat. This is a belt clip. You can actually put it on your belt, put your camera on your belt, and then use this clip or this other one, you know. So you got a belt clip right here. You got a belt clip right here. Right here. And then also you have the back cover for sounds. Yeah. And also the wiper. So in essence, everything that is mentioned on this manual came in the box. So I'm really impressed, because most often than not, when I open packages like this, I see I have maybe 1 or 2 items that are missing or broken, but this one is super neat. It has all of the items. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 different accessories. So that is good. So again, just a quick review of the various components that come in a compact, a 4K action camera by Campark. And of course, finally, I didn't forget, guys, this is the bad boy itself. Yeah, I know some people will be like, why is it not showing the camera first? Yeah, we saved the best for last. This is the bad boy itself. Yeah, super lightweight, very light. And I would have to put the battery in and then test it out, make some test videos, mount it on my drone, bike, and even car, you know, give you guys some good videos about it. I'm really impressed because of the price that it's been sold for, being it a 4K camera. So the price point is really good. And please, guys, please subscribe, comment below, and if you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer, as always. See you guys on my next video. Thank you.